MailDesk. Enough chaos. Bring all your email, your customers, and your workflows into one place, right inside Odoo. Your email lives in one window. Your Odoo data lives in another. MailDesk brings them together, every mailbox in one unified inbox right inside Odoo. Open any message, switch between all your accounts and folders in a single click. Need to write, compose a brand new email without ever leaving Odoo. And link any email to the exact Odoo record it belongs to. A contact, a quote, a ticket. MailDesk searches your live data as you type, and one click attaches it to the record forever. On Pro, an AI assistant opens right beside the conversation, ready to summarize the thread or draft a reply. MailDesk, your whole inbox, inside Odoo, works with every version you run. End the chaos. Everything in one system. Fast, organized, and always in context. Right inside Odoo. Just head over to our website,